I apologize for not being able to join you at the NEM Accessibility Workshop in Zagreb today. My name is Carlos Duarte, and I'm a professor and researcher at the University of Lisbon. Today, I'd like to discuss with you our recent literature review on how artificial intelligence has been utilized in digital accessibility. As I'm sure you know, digital accessibility is essential for providing equal access to information and services for people with disabilities. AI has gained significant attention lately. However, its potential role in improving digital accessibility remains underexplored. To investigate this area further, we conducted a systematic review of literature published within the last 5 years. Our goal was to focus on recent publications due to the rapid advancement of AI technology. We reviewed 71 papers addressing both AI and digital accessibility topics published in the last 5 years. In addition to these initial findings, we also examined papers that cited or were cited by our primary set of papers, regardless of their publication date. This helped ensure comprehensive coverage of relevant studies. To select papers for our research, we began by considering those published in the last 5 years, focusing on digital accessibility and AI. We searched through 5 scientific research databases to compile an initial set of papers. Additionally, we considered papers that were cited by or citing the ones within our initial selection. Our keyword search yielded 376 records. However, after removing nearly 200 duplicates, we had a total of 180 papers to screen. The initial screening involved analyzing each paper's title and abstract. This process led us to exclude more than half of them, leaving us with 70 for full examination. Upon further review, one paper was unavailable and another 28 were outside the scope of our research, resulting in a final count of 41 relevant articles. To expand this collection, we added over 1,000 related citations from these papers, but narrowed it down based on citation frequency, cited by or citing at least 2 other sources. Consequently, this left us with an additional pool of approximately 100 articles. After excluding one inaccessible article and eliminating overlap with previous selections, 64 deemed irrelevant, 5 already included, we had around 30 new documents suitable for consideration, bringing the grand total to 71 papers. Finally, this entire corpus underwent a thematic analysis so as to extract vital information and uncover prevailing themes and trends within the field of digital accessibility and AI. Our findings revealed that various user groups were included in the studies, with a majority focusing on individuals with visual impairments. In contrast, only a small number of studies centered on people with hearing, cognitive, or physical impairments. The AI techniques most commonly employed in these studies were machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and deep learning. 2 primary digital accessibility domains emerged: web accessibility evaluation and media accessibility for both audio and video content. We found that the main motivation for using AI in web accessibility evaluation was to increase its availability while reducing reliance on time-consuming manual assessments. Improved metrics have been introduced to better align the accessibility evaluation with the user experience of individuals with disabilities. AI has also enabled analysis of dynamic web content, pages that change without needing to reload. However, handling complex structures and dynamic content remains challenging, even for AI-based solutions requiring innovative approaches. There are some limitations as well. Automated approaches cannot cover all accessibility requirements, which may result in overlooking certain issues related to cognitive impairments, for example. Additionally, these methods require a sample of pages, which can introduce biases if important pages are not included in the selection process during evaluations. Natural language processing has been utilized to enhance accessibility, leading to improved machine-generated descriptions for various media types. This improvement is achieved by incorporating contextual information and employing advanced natural language processing techniques. However, challenges such as ambiguous descriptions and assessing description accuracy still persist in this field, requiring further research. Integrating AI-based systems like large language models can significantly improve digital accessibility through automatic translations or caption generation. Despite their potential, current solutions often suffer from poor quality and low accuracy, particularly in image captioning. Evaluating the accuracy of these descriptions remains a challenging task due to scalability issues that arise from comparing human-generated and automatically generated captions, requiring substantial human intervention. Lastly, addressing social biases prevalent in this domain is crucial for enhancing algorithm performance and ensuring more accurate outcomes in natural language processing applications for accessibility purposes. Advancements in computer vision have been utilized to enhance media accessibility, particularly by addressing the lack of alternative text for web images. Researchers have proposed AI-based solutions to automatically generate descriptions for these images, focusing on social media and meme captioning domains. Context plays a crucial role in improving image descriptions and has been an important research topic. However, our review revealed several limitations. Quality issues are similar to those encountered in natural language processing applications, with ambiguous content remaining a challenge. Accurate description generation for personal photos is still difficult due to their unique nature and context that may only be known by the individual sharing them or their close friends. Efforts have also been made to combine human and machine-generated descriptions using crowdsourced solutions. However, providing timely image captions remains problematic, limiting their usability. Our review has identified various ways in which AI-based solutions can impact digital accessibility. AI holds the potential to enhance accessibility by refining methods, optimizing models using real user data, and recognizing the importance of context, particularly in areas such as image descriptions. Additionally, AI-powered systems can improve accessibility through multimodal representations or exploring content relations while offering customizable preferences. Specifically, advanced language models contribute to multilingual accessibility via machine translation and help improve web accessibility evaluation by better identifying and categorizing web components. However, there are challenges that may hinder digital accessibility with AI-based services. Two major obstacles include a lack of accuracy and reliability when interpreting nuanced details like emotions and personal traits. Ethical concerns also arise from social biases, privacy implications, or legal responsibilities stemming from determining responsibility for AI-generated content. Another challenge lies in defining algorithm boundaries while training them with personal data without violating privacy considerations or ethical development practices. In conclusion, AI holds great potential for enhancing digital accessibility for individuals with disabilities. However, it is crucial to address challenges such as accuracy, reliability, inclusivity, and ethics. Our research emphasizes the importance of continuous development in this field and collaboration among researchers, developers, policymakers, and disability advocates. For more information on our review and the full report from this literature study, please visit the LeadMe's website deliverables page. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to reach out if you wish to discuss AI-related or general accessibility issues further. I am always open to collaboration. Enjoy the remainder of the workshop.